Hello, this is Lam. Welcome to my channel. This is a pour that I did a couple of months ago. It's actually one of my Mallet smash that I never got around to post. So I am putting a white base coat down before I do my regular splash, and I already loaded a cup, which is I put the pink first and then the blue and the green in that order. So when I splashed, the green and blue came out first and the pink and gold came out at the very last. And I didn't like it. I thought there was not enough pink, so I loaded a little bit more in a cup and pour it in puddles. And then I talk about doing a little bit of a cover your pour. So I drizzle the white over. And then I'm going to tilt. I actually did not set out to do a mallet smash. I was going to just see what I can do with this. And now I tilted it out and there's a lot of color and I don't like it because it's too busy. So I decided to cover the sides with some more white paint. So this is what I did. And then I tilted out some more. And now there's only one block of color in the middle and I like it a lot better. Then I use my cup and try to cup around it. And sometimes it worked really well, but in this case, it's not giving me the pretty patterns of pretty colors that I was hoping for. I could make it work maybe, but I decided to take out my mallet and start smashing. Okay, so I am getting some pink leaves, blue leaves, and I was trying to be a little bit strategic about where I smash. So I'm very hesitant. Okay, where? Okay, here. So I was smashing and then I was thinking about cupping some more. Yes, maybe some more, but that color there was getting muddy and I didn't like it. So I decided to smash some more. And those are very light color leaves, which is fine. Because I was getting some like blue leaves there, like at the bottom that is slightly darker. And then I was trying to smash a little bit more at that corner, not getting much. So I decided to put some green there and hopefully get some colors there. One, two. I like that. So there are some green leaves, bright green, add some definition. And fixing a little bit there. No, I like that green accent there. But am I going to do any more of that? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, cupping some more, touching up a little bit. But still, see, I really like the colors in the middle. So, especially that blue right next to the pink, and I don't want to mess up too much of that. I'm trying to just add a little bit of pattern there with my cup. But okay, at this point I decided to add some more pink and make some flowers. Because I have enough leaves, I figure I have enough leaves, so it's logical to do flowers. Now I'm trying a small one first. So I'm trying to not disturb the leaves too much. So I start the flowers out small, and then I add a little bit more to make it slightly bigger, and then decide to do some more leaves. I was actually trying to pound out a flower, because I have another painting that actually Mallet smashed a flower that turned out okay, but in this case the flower, so far it looks okay, but there's not enough contrast for me. If it's a standalone flower, that might be fine, but right now it's not doing it for me, so I'm going to leave it for a few moments when I work on another flower, and then I'll ponder about later. Because you see that flower is actually developing. So while I am working on another flower, the original flower, I'll just let it sit and see if it will form into something else. Okay, I do a lot of finger dipping for these little flowers. Okay, now I decide to work on the big flower. And I take the balloon to smash it, add more colors. So I was using my deepest red and purple and some blue, trying to make some contrast. Gold, never forget the gold. Now, cotton ball and balloon. Now it's looking like a chrysanthemum, which is okay. I like chrysanthemum. It just doesn't go with the other two flowers. So more colors, more white, more gold, and dip some more. Okay, some more colors. If you have watched my other videos, you already know that when I do flowers, a lot of times it doesn't come out the first try. I have to do it 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, now it's looking better. It is looking more complex. It has a more elegant shape. I could have stopped there, except I decided that it's not big enough. I want to make it slightly bigger and slightly brighter. Because for this size canvas, if I want that flower to be a focal point, I want it to have, a big enough size to catch your eyes. So, oh, now it's looking like something. Now it's looking like a hibiscus. Now I decide to make it slightly bigger. Okay, now doing the center, make sure the center stands out. Yeah, now it's looking good. At least I think it looks good. And at this point, other than fussing with the little flowers, I was also thinking about the leaves. See that bunch of leaves at the upper right corner there? They are really pale leaves. I was thinking about if I should do the green petals and pound it out like I did at the bottom corner, but I decided no, I'll keep it pale. And then I decided that one petal was not big enough. So take out my cotton ball and roll it. Okay, bamboo stake to add more definition. Yeah, at this point, I think it looks pretty good. I could do more flowers, but I decided 3 is enough. And so just final torch. And that is done. Hibiscus blossoms and leaves. When I first look at this after it's done, I thought it was just too much, too busy, too much going on, and some of the leaves are too pale that I didn't really like it. But then this painting grows on me. Look at those bright green leaves and those little details, and I love details. So it is a painting that it may not look as striking at first sight, but it definitely has staying power. It just grows. It just grows on you. And also with this kind of, I don't know what is it about the Mallet smash technique. I just feel that it dries looking better than wet. And I have looked at this painting for a while now because I've done it a couple months ago, and I see this is the dry result, and I just love it now. It has so many layers and all the intricate details, and the leaves. See, some of the leaves I thought they were too pale when they were wet, But as it dries, some of the colors are showing through, so I think they look just perfect the way they are. So variegated, and some of them subtle, some of them are bright. It's just a perfect balance. I think this painting will look fantastic with a coat of resin on top. Anyway, I'm going to list this in my Etsy shop with my other paintings. Link to the shop is in the description box. Please go check it out and have a look. Thank you very much for watching. I so appreciate all of your support. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment. You have a great day, and I'll see you next time.